In this video, I'm going to show how to link the 3D resource to the scheduled task. I return to the Synchro 4D Pro, and you can see I got import the Revit model into the Synchro and also the schedule from Microsoft project. Then next, I'm going to link them up. For easy to select the resource, I will enable a feature called 3D filter. You can see from the menu 3D tab, there's a button called 3D filter. And I enable the 3D filter. You can see the dialog here. And I can create a new filter. For example, I right click in this area and add filter. And give a name of the filter. I name it resource filter. Then for the setting of resource filter, I include the matches case and also filter 3D by resource. Once I check on the resource, you can see there's a tab called resource here. Then I can enable this filter to my 3D view by clicking this one. Activate in select 3D view. Okay, so you can see nothing here in 3D. And now I can enable something. For example, I want to see the roof of the resource. You can see I enable roof. You can see the roof shown in my 3D view. For example, I select another catalog like topographic. You can see there's 3 surfaces here. I enable the first one, and the second one, and the third one. Okay, so I can show all surfaces in the 3D view. Then we take 3 steps to link the 3D resource to scheduled task. First, I have to select the 3D resource. For example, I want to select the first surface from topographic. And I select by using Shift and left click to drag a window to select the object. Once it is selected, it is highlighted. Next, I have to activate which profile appearance I want to show for the task. For example, this 3D resource is installed during the period, or remove, maintain, etc. For this case, I will select install. And the first step is select the task I want to link. I will select the first task, site foundation. Okay. Finally, you can right-click on the 3D view, and there's an option called Assign to select the task. Once the 3D object assigned, it will show in the task. You can see there's one object linked to the task. Then I repeat the step. For example, for the second case, I want to link these 2 surfaces to the second task. So I repeat the step. First, select the 3D object by Shift and left click drag a window to select the object. Active install appearance, and then highlight the task. And lastly, right click on the 3D view and select Assign to select the object. Okay, so I can repeat this step to link all 3D resources to different scheduled tasks.